exposing the spicy secrets behind your favorite dishes. Hold on to your taste buds. Our story begins over 4,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, where garlic and coriander were the pharaoh's favorites. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, where black pepper was worth its weight in gold. Imagine paying your taxes with peppercorns. Yeah. Next stop, the Silk Road, a superhighway of spices connecting the East and West. Cinnamon from Sri Lanka, nutmeg from Indonesia, and cloves from the Moluccas Islands, all making their way to medieval Europe. Ah, the spice trade, making explorers like Columbus and Vasco da Gama sail across uncharted waters. All for a sprinkle of flavor. Today your kitchen is a melting pot of history. So next time you season your food, remember you're not just cooking, you're time traveling. Stay spicy, folks. See you in the next flavor-filled adventure.